Hi, in this video we're going to show you a tool you could use to check the date and time from pretty much any time zone in the world, all from one location. So if you're the type who likes to check different times at different countries, different parts of the country, that type of thing for work or whatever reason, you could do this all in one place using a program called Time Zones View. So it's a free download. It's just a zip file. You extract it, you run the executable, nothing to install. So when you double click it, you'll have your listing here. So you have time zone with the description, registry name, and then the current date and time, and DST start time, end time, and active, yes or no. And then if you scroll down, you'll see that your time zone will be highlighted in green there. And then of course you could sort by, time zone or description or any column you want, or if you want to sort by the time with the earliest time and latest time. Right now it's 6:03. But other places it's already 6:04 in other countries, like so. Then you have some options here. Mark your time zone if you want to show it in green or not. Change the font. Grid lines if you want to make it a little easier to read. Mark odd and even rows. You could export all items or selected items to an HTML report. Choose your column, so if you don't want to see a particular column, you could take it out of there or rearrange it. You could do search, copy selected items, save selected items and properties. So if you double click on one here, it'll just kind of give you a screen with all the basic information in one place. And right clicking it will give you the same options here. So save selected items. Let's just call this test. And you can see it just puts it in a text file, and then you could save more than one, obviously. And then you could also copy selected items. Which give you kind of a format like that if you want to paste it somewhere else. All right, so I will put a link in the description where you can download this. And like I said, it's just a free download. You need nothing to install. It's pretty easy to use, and you get all the information you need in one place. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.